Introducing the BodyGuard by CRON Specialties. This is not your grandfather's Unionol. The CRON BodyGuard is a completely self-contained system that provides total body fluid containment. It prevents annoying leaks and conforms to the body for perfect presentation. It was designed for the most difficult cases, like trauma, skin slip, and tissue donation. The BodyGuard conforms to the body and eliminates the bulkiness that is present in other Unionol-type plastic garments. How does the CRON BodyGuard prevent leaks and conform to the body? The BodyGuard is made of 6 mil polyethylene, which is completely adjustable by shrinking the material using heat from a standard heat gun. Heat shrinking allows for a one-size-fits-all property. The CRON BodyGuard can fit a 350-pound adult or a 60-pound child. Application is the same as any other Unionol plastic garment. The BodyGuard has no zipper that may allow leakage. The front is closed with a heat-shrinkable tape for a perfect seal. To fit the BodyGuard tightly to the body, the excess material is tucked and taped snug to the body, then heat is applied to shrink the plastic tightly. No need to apply pressure, it shrinks tightly on its own. The CRON BodyGuard acts like a compression bandage, keeping any loose body fluids contained and making dressing the body easy. By shrinking the BodyGuard to the body, it eliminates the bulkiness and crinkling sound that families often complain about. This is not your grandfather's Unionol. The CRON Specialties BodyGuard Plastic Unionol is fully patented and is proudly manufactured in the USA.